This is Ricky's Take-Along Collection. What do you got there, Ricky? What do you got?
Baby Mac.
Yep.
Coach Truck. Here's Sunday.
Yep.
You.
Yep.
Other decoys.
Yep.
There's Sunday.
Yep.
There's
Goes Buzz Buzz.
Diesel.
Yep.
Coach Truck. And
Rusty.
Rusty. And the factory car. And the other factory car. And Bobby Thomas. And Percy. And Thomas. And Thomas. And then Clever. And Thomas. And Thomas. And Stan. And Thomas. And Rocky. And Rocky Touching. And the white car. And the fireworks.
What do you got up here?
And
Oh, yeah, who's that?
Lady. Pippin. The handle. Pieces again.
Salty.
Coffee. Duck.
Duck. Who's that? Who's up here up top?
Harold.
Who's this? Who are these two? Right here.
Kirby.
Toby's. Uh-oh. What we got over here?
Monty. Mac.
Yep.
George.
George.
Terrence. Buddy. Jack. Fergus.
And Trevor.
And Trevor.
What about the trains on the track over there?
Who's this?
Murdoch.
Murdoch Tender. Emily Tender. And
Harvey.
And Hector.
Yep.
Spencer Tender.
Oh yeah, we forgot about these ones.
And Spencer. And
Who's the train? Neville?
Neville. And that was Tender. What else I got?
I think that's all we got in Take-Along. And then you got all your motorized, more Take-Along stuff, and all your wooden.
Where's all my stuff?